Pleasant day, grade 8. This is teacher Mads, and today I will teach you how to create your do-it-yourself Kabuki mask. So this is the 3D Kabuki mask that I created, and I will teach you the step-by-step process of doing it, and you will not buy something para hindi magastos. These are the things that we need to create the Kabuki mask. You can actually use recycled materials. First one is the vellum board. If you don't have the vellum board, you can use your old folders. Next one, the brush, watercolor, the scissors, stapler, and glue. Huwag natin kalimutan ang lapis at ang pambura. Syempre, ang pantasa or the sharpener. This one. Tara, umpisahan natin gumawa ng Kabuki mask or do-it-yourself mask. Fold your vellum board or folder in lengthwise. Draw half circle or half oval in the vellum board. Draw an eye and measure it with your face. Now, cut the oval. Put a hole inside the eyes. Then cut it. Now you have your flat mask. To make it 3D, cut it, the middle part in 1/2 inch, the upper part, and the 4 sides. Now, create a design and sketch it. Glue or put stapler in the cutted sides. Ngayon, it's 3D. And it's time to put the watercolor or any painting materials that you have. You will not imitate my design. You will do your own design. This is the finished product. For the criteria, we will post it in the Google Classroom. We need to see your before, during, and after photos of your works. Walang bibili ng ready-made mask. We will do it step by step. So fighting, and let's create your DIY Kabuki mask. Bye!